It seems like forever since I last been there. When you look back again, a blank stare. The place and time seems to fade away, but all I fear is that I'll betray. You show me the life that I once only knew. As my dreams blow by, I'll never fall through. The time ticks away since we just last met. I'll never stop thinking and pass our regret. As we move through time and space, I feel the love I once had to embrace. The moment I saw you, I'll never forget, because I'll always remember that you're a brunette. A moment when you know you were with me, a moment where we both agree. I want a moment to stare deep in your eyes. I want a moment. I'll never say goodbye. I'll never say goodbye.